Optotax is a GST platform trusted by more than 50,000 tax professionals all over the country for their 1 million clients. It's a simple and effective platform for all tax professionals. So if you haven't yet started using Optotax, please start using it today. So all you need to start using Optotax is a Google Chrome. So here I go to gst.optotax.com. I repeat gst.optotax.com. And here I sign up using my Gmail or any other email ID, and I can add clients in bulk and start using Optotax for my GST compliance.
In this video, we're going to see how Optotax will make your Qrmp compliance easy. So first, I log into gst.optotax.com and I select my relevant client. The first functionality in Qrmp scheme is fetching of aggregate turnover details from the portal. So for this, I go to the GST tab here and I click on Qrmp. Here it asks for password. I enter the password. And the screen appears. So here, as you can see, the turnover calculated as per the portal is getting displayed here. And the next step is for opting in and opting out from the Qrmp scheme. So for this, I select the financial year. I select 2021 here. And here, as you can see, for each quarter, I can opt in and opt out of Qrmp scheme by selecting the relevant buttons. So I can click on this and I can save the action. Also, the time limit for opting in and opting out of Qrmp scheme is also mentioned here for your reference. And the next thing is uploading of details in Invoice Furnishing Facility, that is IFF. So for this, I go to this tab, GSTR1/IFF. So here I select the relevant period. For uploading of details on IFF, there is an Excel template available which you can download. So you can download the template here and fill it up. So this is the template where you can provide the relevant details for upload on IFF, and this can be imported on Optotax and can be filed. So here I click on the import button. I select the relevant file from my system and import it. So once it is imported, I can save to GSTN and submit the details on IFF. Then the next is depositing of tax in form PMT6. So for this, I go to the Challans tab here and I click on Create Challan button. So here, because I'm under Qrmp scheme, I click on this reason for Challan, monthly payment for quarterly return. And here I select the period. So I select January 2021. And now I select the Challan type, whether I want to go under fixed sum method or under self-assessment method. So I select the Challan type. I enter the amounts here and I can generate the Challan. So this is how you can create a PMT6 Challan on Optotax. And the last thing is filing of quarterly GSTR1 and GSTR3b. So for GSTR1 quarterly, I go to the same tab. And like I mentioned earlier, I can download the template, fill in the details and import the Excel onto Optotax and file the returns here. The next is Gstr3b Quarterly. So for that, I go to this tab. Here I can either upload the template for outward supplies or I can enter the details here. So I enter the details of outward supplies, eligible ITC and all other details, and then I can save to GSTN and proceed to file the returns. So this is how Optotax can simplify your compliance under Qrmp scheme.
Optotax is a GST platform trusted by more than 50,000 tax professionals all over the country for their 1 million clients. It is exclusively free for all tax professionals. All you need is Google Chrome. So you can just go to gst.optotax.com. You can sign up there using your Gmail or your email ID, and you can start using Optotax for your GST compliance.